naman ako. Magra-rap tayo ngayon. At isi-share ko sa inyo na favorite ko talaga si Hailey eh. Since high school pa. Sobrang galing niya, no? Paramore. Galing. Alam niyo ba to? Galing. Galing ang concept nito, no? Sobrang. She got it bad like an hourglass, ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all ran out. When the caution was marked, she got it bad enough. I waited ain't no more, she finally set it free. I told him I couldn't lie, you was the only one for me. 2 weeks and we had got it back. Get it out for me, but with the biggest smile. Whoa, I never meant to brag, but I got it where I want it now. Whoa, it's never my intention to brag. Split it all away from me now. It got us to feel so good, 'cause I got it where I want it now. And if you couldn't deny your word, it's gone just for so good. Ayun, salamat. Bye.